Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel and my third new Bloxroot account. In this account I will giving you guides how to level up fast, how to be good at PvP and how get fruits and decide which fruit is better. So in this new account I have made only for you. So whenever you start, zoom out your screen this much and there will be a lock symbol at the bottom right of your screen. Turn that thing into green. Now let us take the bandit quest and start the bandits. Literally killing bandits by using combat is the boring thing of the whole Bloxroot. Bandits are the worst NPCs to grind, and combat, it is the worst fighting style in the whole game. Also, there are a lot new players like this do alt, which take kills one. Literally, it gets me so angry. Why did people take other kills? See again, he took my kill. Literally, these people are very toxic players. They take other kills. I could try killing 2 to 3 bandits at a time, but I know these new players would take my kills, so I will be grinding normally. Some YouTubers say that we should go to Fountain City to get levels fast, but they are very hard to grind. A single NPC takes so much time to grind, so I will be grinding normally. The best fruits for grinding are elemental fruits. Always elemental fruits are the best for grinding. The best fruits for grinding for me, my personal view is third is the magma fruit. It has high damage. It is a mythical fruit. What the hell? I could level 4 2 times. So where was I at? The third magma fruit. As magma fruit doesn't have a M1, so this is why it is in the third place. But still, magma has a very high damage, which you could use by killing lot of enemies at a time, like I am doing here. Magma can do like one shot if you have good stat points to block shoot. These bandits are so weak, they cannot kill me like after they are grouped by 3. And the second place goes to the ice fruit. It has a M1, it has the immunity to water, and they have good turns. So it is also a good fruit for grinding. And at the first, all Buddha and light fruit are the best fruits for grinding, because the light fruit has the fastest level and the strong M1, and the Buddha fruit has high damage, high defense, and if you awakened it, you are immune to like C. So now I will kill 2 to 4 at the same time. These bandits, even if they're grouped, they cannot kill me. They are so noob actually. So I have grouped all these 4. I will try to get a fruit as fast as I can in this video. Especially I want the elemental fruit, so that I can grind very easy. I will try to save money by not buying balls, not buying boots, so that I could buy instinct and I could buy electric fighting style. It is my favorite fighting style. I think this last quest will be the last quest for my pirate starter. Bro, pirate starter is so boring. Literally they have nothing. Actually the first sea is boring, because in the first sea you have nothing, then grind. Also, let us kill these bandits and get out of pirate starter. There is a favorite fruit of mine. I will be giving you hints to guess the fruit. The hints are that the fruit is not a mythical fruit. The fruit has a M1. The fruit is a Logia fruit, elemental fruit, and the fruit has great AoE. The fruit is not a uncommon. Also, instinct is very good for grinding if you know how to use instinct very well. Oh no, my health is very low. Oh, my health, 3. See, these bandits are so low that they cannot kill me after I have only 3 health. Literally I have to kill just one more bandit. Also there is a stat ratio, which is 6 ratio to melee, 5 ratio to defense, and 13 ratio for block shoot. This ratio is very good if you want to give good grinding and PvP. If you are a sword main, then the 13 ratio should go to your sword. But I am a block main every time. Literally all of my previous accounts have block suits. I never use sword. Now let us go to jungle. Jungle has gacha, otherwise it is also boring. Oh wow, this new player sent me a request. It is good. You could also send me request if you want to come in my crew. I will be forming a crew in this ID in the second sea, which you can join if you are an active player, you are a subscriber of mine, and you have a connection request for me. If you want to send me a connection request, my ID is super all blue. All blue means that my whole account will be blue, like my whole build will be blue. See, now I'll show you a profile of a player who is using Ghost Fruit at Fountain City. Literally Fountain City, he is using Ghost Fruit in Fountain City. He should use an Elemental or Logia, but he is using Ghost Fruit. I don't know. I think he doesn't watch my channel. Otherwise he would be a very pro player like me. Oh yes, now we are in jungle. Why are there so many players in jungle? I know they will take my kills, so let us grind faster. See, I don't have air jump, so I have to use this boring bridge to get up. Bro, literally using bridge. I'm so noob at this time that you could call me noob. Also, when I will form the crew, tell me in the comments that what should be the name of our crew. Also, write the name of my favorite fruit if you want to come in the crew. I have given you clue in the earlier video. Not the earlier video. I have given you the clues in this video, but a little back. I can again give you clue, which is the fruit is not a mythical fruit. It is not an uncommon fruit. It is an elemental fruit and it has a great AoE. It also has a M1. The fruit is not a light fruit. Now let us kill this monkey. Just 9 more levels, then this video will end. Because my goal of this video is just from level 0 to 20. Bro, I literally have to grind fast. I am grinding very slow. I have like 2000 belly now, but I will not use it because I need instinct and electric claw. Also, if you want to be good in grinding and PvP, always use the ratio I gave to you, which is 6 ratio 5 ratio 13. I have so low stats at this time on my melee that I could even barely walk fast. Also, my health is very low, but you know I am noob at this time as this is my new account. When I will get my new account, when I will get to second sea, then I will show you my skills. Literally these monkeys are taking a lot to grind because I only have the... What the hell is with this Kitsune guy? I think he is flexing his skills. Bro, good players never flex their skills. He has a Kitsune, so he has come to first sea to flex his skills. But no worries. I will grind very fast. I will kill 2 monkeys at a time. So that... See again. He's the toxic player. I hate toxic players. This toxic player always take other. What the noob this guy is. He was dying to a monkey. Literally to a monkey. Some players are so new, so I am just making this video to tell you that how to become very good at grinding and PvP. See this Kitsune guy, he's a troll player. But I'm still level 12, I need to kill monkeys but I cannot find any monkeys around. What is happening? Oh, see a monkey, you're gonna die. Monkey, what the hell? What is your problem? I don't have time to talk with this guy, so I will be grinding fast because this video will not proceed more than 20 minutes because I do not want to waste your precious time. What is his problem? What is he saying? You do racing? Nah bro, I'm not racing with anyone. I don't have time to chat with you. Bro, such a toxic player he is. Once I get the fruit, then I will try to PvP with him. Not only fruit, when I will get to good level. Yes, I completed just one quest. Just one quest. Now I will kill the gorillas. What should I do? Kill the gorillas or the monkeys? I will kill the monkeys because gorillas gave a lot of damage. So let us kill those monkeys. Let us kill those monkeys. Monkeys are so boring. Literally so boring. I haven't used my stats yet. See, I am using my stats to melee because now I am only using combat at this time. I cannot do anything else. I am grinding. Grinding is so boring literally, especially at the start of the first sea. To make grinding easy and good, we should try to get a fruit as fast as we can, or we should try to get a fighting style as fast as we can. These monkeys, I don't know why I feel grinding so boring. I literally created 2 other accounts of this, but still I find it boring to kill this. But no worries, I will kill these monkeys and give a better experience for newbie players to play. I have came to 3928 bells. It is little, but I think I can collect 6000 at the end of the video. Yes, I have completed one more quest. Let us again use this bridge. Let us again use this bridge and take another quest. I have to do it fast. I think now I should kill the gorillas. Let us go kill the gorillas. They gave a lot of damage to me, but still I will kill the gorillas. See that Kitsune guy flexing his skills. What is this? What is this? I think this person are rolling a fruit. I should try to get the fruit. I literally need a fruit. A fruit at this time is very good. Oh, I think the guy has Cyber V4. Why are they all chatting? What fruit will they get? Oh, flame fruit. I need that fruit. And I got it. Bro, that was so easy. My first fruit is just an elemental fruit, which is very good thing. Now let us kill those gorillas as fast as I can. Now, first we will try the attacks on a monkey. Now we will kill the gorillas. Yes. I would love to play in a private server, but more players are more interesting. The gorillas are taking very little damage. But still I will kill them. Still I will kill you. But you are gonna die. I think I should gain mastery. Yes. Gorilla. Bro, I am not investing more stats in block shoot, so I cannot give more damage. One more gorilla dead. He's also gonna die. I think I should kill the monkeys because they cannot hit me now. I have a flame fruit. Just 2 more levels and I will end this video. Hello sir, take this. Bye sir. It is very good to troll bosses. See, the gorilla can just come into our tree. Oh no, very little health. No, take this. No, my internet. Bro, this is not skill issue. This is my internet. Oh, see a Buddha user. Hey, you monkey. Can you hit me? No, they cannot hit me. These monkeys are so noob. What is happening to my internet? Now let us take the monkey quest and reach level 20. Bro, using this bridge is also hard for a new player. I'm not a new player, but this account is. Also, if you want my avatar to look well, you could tell me good options that how should I customize my avatar. Oh, I think they are rolling again. Nah, I don't think they are rolling. Leave it, bro. Leave it. Hey, you monkey, come here. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. And you're dead. Now let us kill this monkey. Oh, I have now 5,000 belly. Oh, this bro has a dual flintlock. Yes, he has a dual flintlock. I think he is gaining mastery for it. I will not let him take my kills. His name is also included with light. I think he has light fruit. His crew name is also Dark Death. I cannot read this. Leave it. Let us complete this video very fast. My mastery is also 18. I will soon unlock. See, I told you he has a light. But your name is so obvious. Your name is so obvious. What the hell is happening to my internet? No, it's coming. I will not let this happen. I will not. See, I again got my kill back. Oh, yes. Good money. You are gonna die. No, it took away my kills. What the hell? These players are not even letting me grind. Sorry for this, I am not able to grind well. But I will make sure that in the next video, I will try to grind as fast as I could. As fast as I can. And now I think this is the last monkey. You are monkey. You monkey, come to me here. Come here. Yes! Now I am level 20. I think I should take one more quest. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and help your favorite YouTuber, I think that is me, to reach Bloxfruit trailer, because my dream is only to reach Bloxfruit trailer. Let us try to kill gorillas. But literally I am so bored after grinding. So please like and subscribe and be regular to my videos. Thank you for watching. So let us try something on these gorillas. Well, I don't want to try something, but still I need mastery for my flame fruit. And this thing. What the hell are you? You again take my kill. I will kill you. You are gonna die. You're gonna die. You gorilla, give me mastery. Give me mastery. Bro, my aim is so bad. I forgot that there is green lock. Don't forget to comment my favorite food and your favorite food in the comments. Also, you can give me advice for my avatar and my build for the future. I will make sure that I will provide good videos to you as fast as I can. So thank you for watching, and what is this thing? Leave it. This will be the end of video. This is the last gorilla which we have to kill, and so thank you very much.